Welcome to the channel, everybody. I really hope that y'all having a fantastic day because I know I will once I can get this guy to work. Let's give it a go. All right, so one of the things that I actually did recently was I actually bought this guy on Amazon, which is the circuit board. The reason being is because the flashing green light apparently is an indicator of the circuit board in the back of the box right there malfunctioning for whatever reason. So naturally, I got a brand new one. Apparently, you could just buy these off Amazon. I bought this one for about 130 bucks. The price fluctuates apparently because I checked again recently and it's about 160 now, which is so weird. But anyway, let's go ahead and try and install this guy and see if it starts working. All right, so it looks like we got some Phillips screwdrivers right here and a bunch of cables. Not exactly sure what I should. Oh, you know what? I feel silly. There's obviously power running through that. I should probably shut that off. Let's go look for that. Nice, we found it. So, now that the power's off, we can safely continue. All right, now that the lights are out in here, let's go ahead and open the garage. For now. Now let's finally do the fun stuff. So it looks like the purple cable doesn't really do much here. So we'll keep that off to the side. We got the two white cables here. Looks like this black one goes to the first guy here. And this red one goes to this one, which looks like they properly have these indicated right here. So that's actually quite nice and simple. So we'll go ahead and remove this guy. Yeah, perfect. Oh, wow. All right, y'all, I think we need a bigger ladder. So let's grab this guy. Okay, that'll probably do. Let's get back up here and see what we're looking at. Oh. Yeah, it's one piece. Let's go. Okay, not too bad. That gives me so much more hope. Oh, thank goodness. All right, folks. All right, this is the old one. We just got it out. Let's go ahead and put the new one in. All right, we are ready to put the new one in. Enter everything as we took it out. So let's go ahead and just do reverse order. All right, so we're up here. I'm really trying my best to make sure my phone doesn't fall. We're up here with the new piece. We're gonna go ahead and put it into this section right here. This looked super intimidating upon looking at it for the first time, but it looks like everything is still intact perfectly as it should. All I needed to do was literally just take this whole piece out. Let's go ahead and put it back the rest. Goes in the top of the circuit board right here. So let's give that a go. Come on. Okay. I think we're in. All right. Let's get these screws back into their homes. At least somewhat, just to hold it in place. Diddly darn. I have my knife in my pocket. It's kind of in my way right now. It's being less useful. So I really hope this actually works because it would save me probably a couple $100 to a couple $1,000 instead of hiring a contractor to come out here and do this for me. So far this has taken me a little less than half an hour to get to this point. So let's hopefully keep going. And I truly hope our luck continues. And I need to go back down and grab the impact. One sec. All right, that looks good. Everything is back to normal. This guy, again, whatever this purple cable does, no idea, just stays right out. So we'll just keep that kind of hovering somewhere right here in space. White cables went back. Red one, black one, shares this spot with the white cable. And now we will take our giant power cable, power AC adapter cord, whatever. I don't even know what you call these things anymore. Let's stick that back in there and let's go ahead and turn on the power and see if we're good. Oh, wait. Okay, so a matter of fact, I actually forgot something. I forgot that we probably have to replace this little doohickey with the new one, because it came with a new one. And I'm not exactly sure where anything goes, but I do see two little spots here. Two little screws right at the top of the red little board here. And that's probably where that goes. The reason why I think we need to use this is because it has some separate buttons that the other one doesn't have. The other one has no other buttons. It's just a singular button. This one has a giant button and these two up here, which is a lock and a light button. Pretty cool. So let's see if we can install this guy too. So what we're gonna be doing here, and this was where it all started, was this little guy right here. That guy started blinking out of nowhere, and it was the indicator that made us see it and be like, well, okay, it is, something's going on because it's a blinking light. As far as we know, if it's not a solid green, it means something's going on. All right, it looks like we have a 2 and a 1 right here, red and white. So super easy indicators. We have, oh, look at that. That's perfect. We have a 1 and a 2, just like on there. We have a 1 and a 2. Very easy. I love that so much. Doesn't show any color specifications here, but I'm sure that's all we need to put there. Yeah, and we can just put it right here on the side. Looks good. Let's go ahead and take those out. So this is the 1, this is the 2. All right, super easy. Let's take this guy out. Oh wow, hi little spider. Nice, okay. Yep, right there. We have a 1 and a 2. Right here it indicates red and white, but since there are numbers, it makes it easy to know which one goes where. All right, let's go ahead and take this guy out. Nice, nice and open. Let's go ahead and put him into the wires right there. Okay, so red is 1. All right, let's put the red one in. Hopefully y'all can see this. Red one is this one. See if I can pull this cable just a little further out. Seems like it's just kind of protruding out of the wall here, so I can probably, if there's a little wiggle room, I can pull that out. Perfect. Okay, we got the red one, first up, right here. Oh, Lordy Lord. Let's just help. Work with me, damn it. Come on. All right, let's get a little hook in there. Come on now. All right. Solid. Let's go ahead and get this guy right in there. That looks good. Let's get the black one in. Again, I really hope y'all can see this. If not, that's okay. It's super simple. I guess in the other color, it said white, but this is totally a black cable. Ah, this is why you need to be careful with these. Honestly, you should probably use a handheld screwdriver and not this giant impact tool, but I like using this, so yeah, just be careful. Word of caution. Okay. All right, moment of truth. We're gonna go ahead and turn the power back on, see if anything or everything works. Oh, okay, the light turned on. There's a green light. Oh my gosh. Wait. Wait, there's a green light that's turned on right there. Oh my gosh. Did it work? Yo. Okay. So there's power clearly going through this. That's really exciting. Let's give it a go. Oh. Yeah. And there's no blinking light. Yo, did I get it? First try? Oh. Okay, we need to fix that. That's not a hard thing to fix though. Oh my God, I fixed it. Okay, but that's an easy one to fix. Here, let me show y'all real quick. So what I mean by it wasn't that easy is that, like, I was basically by myself doing this the whole time, right? And it took me 30 minutes to basically complete the installation of the new circuit board. However, I highly suggest to get a second person to press the button so that you can constantly check and see where it is stopping from top and bottom, because, well, you just have to come down and up and down the ladder and change that over and over again. So that becomes a real pain. So get yourself a second person. Thanks so much for following along with that video. That was really exciting. I just need to take some screws, screw that into the wall so it looks nice and dandy, and need to fix that little part for the door to make sure it stops at the exact level that it should, right at the ground. But with that being said, I am super excited about this. Wow, I can't believe I did that. That was so cool. I bought that thing straight at Amazon. If you guys want to know where I got that from, I will submit the link in the description below. You guys can see that super easy. With that being said, I'll see y'all in the next video.